Are you a fan of waffle? Who does not like waffle? Those lovely square shape and texture that can hold your fillings and toppings where they actually belong. It is also more versatile than pancakes. It's good for your glorious breakfast with butter and syrup. Or you can stuff it with your favorite fruit and vegetables for a healthy brunch or lunch. Plus, if you have a waffle maker at home like the new addition in my kitchen, the options are unlimited. In today's video, I would like to share 2 ways I turn a regular butter and syrup waffle to my fruity waffle sandwich and vegetable waffle sandwich. If you're looking for some new ways to enjoy your waffle more, watch this video and get inspired to eat your favorite waffle in a creative and healthy way. Now let's get started. Let's make the waffle first. Today I found this Birch Bender's no added sugar, grain-free almond flour waffle mix at my local Costco store. I want to give it a try. Use half cup of the mix. Half cup of water. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to get my desired thickness. This grain-free mix does feel less smooth than a regular flour mix. And you also want to add water in little by little to have better control of the thickness. The texture-wise, I prefer the regular all-purpose flour waffle, but this can be a good alternative for variety. When the batter feels smooth and flowy, it is ready. It's time to show my lovely waffle maker. I was very excited to make my first waffle at home a few days ago. It literally makes the cooking part more fun. Plug in. The power light will turn on. Wait until the ready light on the right side turn on. Then pour the mix in. Let the batter fill the ceramic holes. Tilt the surface slightly to evenly fill the whole area, but without overfilling. Then close the lid. The ready light will turn off. Let it cook until the ready light turned back on. Hold the handle and flip. The ready light on the other side will turn off for more cooking time. When the ready light turned back on, the waffle is ready. Flip back. Open the lid, gently lift the waffle, and transfer into a plate. We're going to move on to stuffing. First, I used avocado mash to fill the holes on half side of the waffle to secure the rest of the fillings. Then I add on as much vegetables as I can. The green leaves, olives, and some sweet pepper. It is basically a salad on the waffle. I also like to stuff my waffle with fruits. Squeeze out some whipped cream at the bottom. Then press some blueberries in the holes. Then I slice fresh kiwi and some papayas or other colorful fruits. Then stack them up. Fold the other half over. The eye-catching fruit waffle sandwich is ready to enjoy. Here you have it, the 2 creative ways to add more fruit and vegetables to your favorite waffle to eat healthy and keep fit. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy home cooking videos every week. Thank you for watching. This is Crystal. I'll see you next time.